this is my second time actually filming this video. The first one, the file, I don't know what happened, but something happened. So this is just a simple makeup routine for anyone that has dull skin, hyperpigmentation skin, you know, just something that's soft, skin light, nothing too crazy, nothing too major. Let's get right into it. Alright. So I actually have really dull skin. I don't know if I can come closer. Oh, pretty sure like the lighting and everything, but I have some hyperpigmentation here and there. I don't know if this is showing it well, but I have little like holes in my face as well, and then my eyes right here. It's like kind of patchy and dry and quite dark too. I don't know why, but that's how it is. So I like to go in with Vaseline, specifically the baby version. I feel like much more hydrating and actually protects my skin. To moisturize my face, I like to go in with the Pond's Dry Skin. I started using this year. I actually really like it because it does keep my skin hydrated. Put a generous amount, like a lot, because I want my skin to be hydrated as well. I go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 6 Tan Deep. Now, before y'all come at me, I got this before the e.l.f. controversy and everything, so I am trying to finish this, and then I'm gonna buy a different brand because I don't want to waste it. A very dense brush. I don't know why. I prefer that one because I feel like it gets the job done. And this one, I stole it from my mom. Okay, so I don't really know where she got it. I would have to ask her. I like to dab it in. No like swipe, just dab it in all over my face and then go into my hairline. I'm also looking at the viewfinder while I'm doing this. So if my face looks a bit off center, go in with the Juvia's Place concealer in shade 13. Now I did lose the top, but go specifically in there and then right there. So slightly. I like to use this one right here to just, I never swipe, just, you know, just dab it in. That is so 2016. I miss 2016 so much. I also do want to try 2016 makeup, so I'll probably do a tutorial. And I also like to go back in with the brush that I use for my foundation, and then just for the edges right here, I just like to go in so that it blends very seamlessly. Once I'm done with that, I like to go in with the Bobbi Brown pressed powder. Again, this was my mom's and I stole it in shade Golden Brown. And then just like the fat side of this one, I like to go in, what's this? It's a Morphe 35Y. I'm just gonna put it up there, but it's Morphe. And then I like to go in the shade New Dimensions. Do that, and then take the excess off right here. And then every time that I do my blush, smile, because I do have some nice cheekbones and I do want to elevate it, so I just go in. Just come down. The pressed powder again with the excess. I don't get any new ones, just the excess, and I just dab it in there. And then with that same powder, with the same whatever this is, I like to go in with the Wet n Wild loose setting powder. I really like this one a lot, actually. My friend had it and then I needed it one time, and then I've just been hooked on it ever since. And the excess, I like to go in the back of my palm and then look up and then just dab it in. Again, as y'all can see, I don't like to rub things in, but you know, tapping and dapping it away usually helps. Oh. And then just shine right here. And then clean it up a bit. Again, I don't contour because one, I don't feel like it needs it for my face shape and how my face is, because I can't really do a lot of heavy makeup. And two, I don't know how to contour, so I'm just not gonna bother. And I also didn't do my eyebrows at all because I don't like to do my eyebrows, so I just let it stay as with the blush one more time. Where is the brush? There we go. And then just some slight a bit more. Now, by the time that I'm done with my makeup, usually my lips is pretty soft right now. So I am gonna go in with the Promise eyeliner and lip liner pencil in shade 13. Now, I don't know where you can get this. All I know is my mother went to Ghana and she got it. That's all I know. Do not ask me at all. So I like to go in with this one and just go in there, and then with the first one of this one, I like to overline my lips and then I go in with the number 18 for this one. I like to just go, what time is it? 9:51. 4. Okay. I just go in again. And there you go. And then I like to go back in with some Vaseline to make sure. Yada yada. And then that's it. I hope you all really like this video. Like and subscribe. This is like my first ever post on my channel, so I don't know if y'all want to see anything or see me do anything else, just let me know. Thank you all so much. Anyways, more videos up to come next week, so I hope you all enjoy. Toodles.